Hi, this is Dale Corpus over at eXp Realty, and welcome to my newest listing at 691 Veranda Circle in Hayward. We're in the Grand Terrace complex, and this unit ends up being the largest floor plan in the community. It's an N-unit townhome, features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 1,434 square feet of living space. And what I love about this community in particular is that it is in a great commuter location. We're right next to the San Mateo Bridge. The 880 freeway entrance is close and it's walkable to downtown Hayward. On the interior, it's newly painted, has attached 2-car tandem garage, and has a driveway for a 3rd parking spot. Home is ready to move in. We're looking for a buyer just like you, so come take a look. So thanks for taking this tour with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Also, if you know of somebody looking for a townhome just like this in downtown Hayward, please share this video, and I'll see you on the next home.